In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a support ticket system in Clickup so you can manage customer requests efficiently. Start by opening your Clickup workspace and make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want to manage your support tickets. Next, navigate to the project or space where your support system will live. This could be for a SaaS product, client work, or even internal team requests. Now, create a new list. Lists in Clickup are where all your tickets will be stored as individual tasks. Click Add List and name it something clear like Support Ticket System so your team can easily find it. Once the list is created, each ticket will be handled as a task. This means every request, whether it's a bug, question, or feature request, becomes trackable. At this point, Clickup may suggest AI-generated setups like statuses and fields. Go ahead and accept these suggestions to save time. You'll typically get statuses like New Request, In Progress, and Resolved. These help you track the life cycle of each ticket. Now your system is ready. Whenever a new support request comes in, simply create a new task inside this list and fill in the details. Over time, you can improve your setup by adding custom fields like priority, customer name, or issue type, and even automate assignments. And that's it. You now have a simple but powerful support ticket system inside Clickup that keeps everything organized and easy to manage.